Alright, people, I'm gonna be going, yeah? So.
You're gonna be gone?
Yeah. You'll be by yourself.
Lonely. I miss this lonely.
High note, get in the high note.
I miss this lonely.
Alright, I'm going,
Bye.
people. Later. Alright, you need anything else?
No. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to work. Yes guys, I'm going to work for a trial. I need to see how am I gonna cope throughout the day. So if I see that I can cope quite okay, then I might be able to start working again. Nowhere to park, selfish parking, nowhere to park. People are so selfish. So this morning I tried to drive to work. Unfortunately, when I reached, there wasn't any car park and I have to turn back, park the car and then walk. Whenever I'm walking through this church, I always say, thank you God for what you have done for me and what you're about to do. Open doors for me, oh God, that man think they can shut. Yeah, it's a lovely church. And he said, Jesus said, come to me and I will give you rest. Want to see the church again? That's the churchyard. Lovely church. Nice. What like people them work? No time to waste. I really want to go back to work because staying home I tend to get bored and thinking too much. Girl have long journey for walk too, you know. But one next 10 minutes walk. But I enjoy walking. This is Aura, and me and Aura have been working for many years. Yes. So today I will see how I will cope with my hand, and I won't be able to record anything inside the surgery because of confidentiality and also the privacy of patient and staff.
See you later.
Okay. Yes. Today I will be working at the desk for half day just to see how I will cope with my hand. I won't be doing a lot of recording in the surgery because I don't want to get into any trouble, because we have to respect people's privacy and also confidentiality of being in the medical field. So I won't be showing you around the surgery and I won't be showing you what I'm gonna do, but you can see I'm here today and hopefully everything goes well. 1 o'clock I have an appointment with my osteopath at my GP. He will be cracking up my body. Yes, so you know, like they crack up your neck and your hand. So I will be seeing him at 1 o'clock, and 7:30 I will be seeing my physiotherapist at the hospital. So everyone is trying to help me get better. Dr. Anna Maria, today she brought her massage machine for me to try it out. It's so good, and Anna Maria is very considerate, knowing what's going on. She take the time out to bring her machine for me to try. So if I see that it's working well, then I will get myself one. So before you begin, you have to do your temperature. So I'm gonna do my temperature. So I have to write my temperature here, 36.5. Annobil kit to test for COVID, and then you have to document it. So I'm gonna do my test. This is the stick. Let me take this. Every staff at the surgery, they take these tests once a week, although it's uncomfortable, but they have to do it. This right here is the test pad. And this is the solution. You need 10 drops. 10 drops of this. The stick that you use to insert inside your nose, you need to put it inside this plastic tube with the solution. And then you cover it. Cover it like this. That's the solution, that's the kit. And then right here. My test means I'm clear. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I have to write the batch number and the serial number here for my NHS record. And that's it. And you need to put the result, and then you just put the serial number on it. You can upload this to the NHS. So guys, look, the last time I was at work was on the 17th of the 5th, and then I went to do my surgery. Aww. And today it's also negative. It's clear. Session is up, and now I'm gonna head to the osteopath at my GP, and then 7:30 I have another appointment with my physiotherapist. Today is just half day, just a trial. Today wasn't that bad, but I can still feel the tension in here. Well, it's going well, and I'm happy to be at work because I was starting to get bored. So I came to work, and Dr. Anna Maria, she brought this machine for herself. I'm gonna try it out. So it's a massage machine. Feeling good. Very nice. I went somewhere and someone had the foot one. They have the foot one too. Have you tried the foot?
No.
Yeah.
You have to wait there until it's finished. And it has some heat as well when it's red. If it's too painful, let me know. Because I can reduce it. You're in the highest.
Yeah. So this is a luxury surgery. Dr. Anna Maria, she's very considerate for her to bring this machine for me to try. Thank you, Dr. Anna Maria. So Ronaldina is here to pick me up. Hi.
What's up? What's up? What's up? That's how we're going. That's our GP.
Yes. So the driver come and get Mama. The driver come and get his Mama.
Of course.
Okay. Okay, driver. I went to work this morning to see how I would cope. So it's just for the half day. And now Ronaldino, he came to pick me up because I have an appointment with the osteopath. Yes, people. I'm going to my GP to do some little exercise. And then 7:30, I'm back at the hospital with the physiotherapist. Yes, as a girl I go on, everybody I try to help me to get back my strength and movement in my hand. I'm so special. I'm so special. No, sir. Dina drive like my drive a racing car. I drive racing car. I'm at my GP for my osteopath appointment, and then Dina will take me home. With the osteopath, the man crack me up. Yeah, Dr. Patel, crack up my neck, crack up my body. Like him a crack me out of socket. Feel good though. Relaxing. Dina gets us lunch.
Alright, people, I'm gonna be going, yeah? So.
You're gonna be gone?
Yeah. You'll be by yourself.
Lonely. I miss this lonely.
Hi, no, get in the hand.
I miss this lonely.
Alright, I'm going,
Bye.
people. Later. Alright, you need anything else?
No. I'm going to the hospital now for my physiotherapy session with Dr. Darren Bern. Going on the hill. Up, 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 and away we go. Yes. Up, 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 and away we go. This is a lovely house. Go down here. Yeah. So this is Bramley. I'm finished with my physiotherapy session. It went great. I can say, he said next week will be the last. Yes. Time to go home now. Let's go. Boy Hospital. It's a lovely hospital. Staff them nice, but lovely staff. Today I wasn't able to record my physiotherapy session because Ronaldino wasn't here with me today. He normally holds the camera. Anyway, everything went well today. So far so good. Thanks to Dr. Darren Bern and Dr. Patel. They're helping me so much getting my movement and strength back in my hand. And for those that just start watching my YouTube channel, what's going on is I done carpal tunnel syndrome surgery in May, and I've been coming to these sessions and I've been recording what's going on with me in my daily life, and so far so good. I'm pleased to say that everything is going pretty well, thanks to everyone who have supported me. I really appreciate everyone's support. Guys, please remember to live in love, peace, and unity, and don't forget to take good care of yourself. We have a turn. go turn and go up on the back road. Straight road now, do it. Straight road, that be a traffic, my love. Nah, go there.
Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Bye.